Hello friends, today we will learn what is if name is equals to main in Python. So let's start. We all know this main function in C, how it is used inside all the code inside this main function will be executable in a C language. Here we will learn this main function. So we know most of the Python code is mostly the imported as a module and a script. However, sometimes it is useful to make a file that can be both module and script. To do this, place a script inside this main function. So we will learn this main function using the example. This main function ensures that the content inside this main function won't be run if the file is imported. So let's learn how it is works. So friends, I creating a folder inside these uh, examples, like let's give it as name as main. Let's open this, open our VS code. I am creating inside this main folder two files, as first is ps1 with extension py, ps.py, and second one is ps1 ps1.py. We will make ps.py as our module, and this ps.py file is will be imported into this ps1.py file. So write code here. I am defining a function as module, which print that this is a module. Now I am creating another function which is named as script. It will print as same as previous, like this is script, a script. Let's and now I am calling all into these two functions inside this folder itself as a module and script. So let's save this and run this code. What will be the output? The output will be the both the functions are run in the file itself. So the output is this is a module and this is a script. And now if I am importing this ps file into this ps1, let's check what will be the output. So import ps, save it, and then run. There is the same output as previous one, but in some cases we require only this first function to be executed when we import this module into another file. Like we only want the output as this is module, and we don't require this function as output. So we will write this function inside the main function. So write if name is equals to main, we will giving this is a conditional statement. So we will write this code inside We will define this function inside this if statement. So let's define. We want to print this model function, so call it outside this if statement. So I will write it here. Now we can import this file inside another file. So our output will be only this is a model. It will call only this model function, not the script function. So let's check it. Let's import ps and then run. So here is our code. This code only runs the first function, which is module, not the second function, which is script. So in this way, if we want to be required to be run the particular code, we will write it inside the main function by using this if conditional statement. So in this way, friends, this main functions works. So thank you for watching.